Hi, my name is Gert P. Olsen. I'm from Greenland, Ilulissat. Ilulissat is the third biggest town in Greenland, and it is populated by 5,000 people. And Ilulissat is a fishing town where the inhabitants fish mostly, and we are becoming a tourist town for the moment. And Ilulissat is mostly known for the ice and icebergs and the glaciers, especially now where everybody's talking about the melting of ice and climate changes and everything. So that's what brings tourists and scientists here to this town. And I'm working in Hotel Arctic. It's one of the finest hotels in Greenland, and I'm on an education right now in Copenhagen, studying service management, and I'm planning to come back again to Greenland, to Ilulissat at some time. And I've been traveling around in Europe and France and Scotland and UK and that kinds of places. So I've seen quite many things right now, but I'm planning to come back again to Greenland and live here for the rest of my days.